Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to teach you the hello world in Python. So if you started to code in Python, the first thing you will do is printing hello world. So instead of the hello world, you can enter whatever the value you want. So in this video I will be explaining what is the print doing and what are these brackets, that are the parentheses, and you could see the double quotes, and instead of the double quote you could also add a single quote, and the hello world is the value you want to print in the results. Instead of hello world, you could write your name or whatever the value you want. So we will go with a string. So string is nothing but the alphabets. Okay, the integer is the numbers. So firstly we will print a hello world in this video. So I've already written a full blog post on hello world. So the blog post will be in the description box below. If you have any doubt, you can go there and check it out. So firstly, let me print a hello world in Python. So firstly, I've opened the Thorny IDE. If you want to install this tool, just go to thorny.org, and if you're using Windows, Mac or Linux, just click and follow the guidance they have given and just install it. That's it. So firstly, I'm going to do a print and double quote hello world. Now when I run this program, it says hello world. So what the print function is doing? Let's go back to the blog post I have written. You could see in the print I have given, the print function prints the specific messages to the screen. So over here, the screen is nothing but the result area. Over here, the shell is the result area where we can see the results appearing. So we could see the hello world. The print function just prints the value you enter. So what the parenthesis does. So the parenthesis, let's move to the blog post I have written. You could see that parenthesis just, if you didn't enter any value inside the parenthesis, the Python thinks the value you enter will be something like the print function. Suppose if you write hello world, parenthesis and double quote, inside this if you write print, this is not going to be working, because when I run, you could see there is an invalid syntax, which is the hello world isn't a particular function. There is no function called hello world. So whatever the value you want to enter, make sure you enter between the parentheses. And you could see there are the double quotes. So the double quotes is nothing but the strings, and whatever the value you want to enter, you should enter between the strings you enter. Okay, instead of the double quotes, you can enter the single quotes also. So I made a mistake, spelling mistakes. And if I now run, we could see there are two hello worlds printed. Let me give a clear and run it again. We could see two hello worlds printed. So in Python and also in Perl programming, there is no difference between the single quote and the double quote. You can use any of them. So there is no difference between them. And by now, I think you will be known about the print function. So the print function allows you to print the values you want to print in the result area, and the parenthesis allows you to enter the values in between them. If you didn't enter any values between the parentheses, then that must be a function. And these double quote and the single quote. The double quote and the single quote allows you to enter the values in between, and we will be talking about why we want to enter the values between the quotes. So in the later videos I will be talking about that. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and also give a like. And I think you should be now known about the printing hello world. Yes. And also I'm going to teach this also. You can't just print a single quote. So over here I have entered a double quote and entering a value, and over here I am entering a single quote. So this is not going to be working. When I play, you could see there is an error which says that syntax error EOL while scanning string literal. If you get this kind of error, just copy it and just go to the web browser you are using and just paste it in and enter Stack Overflow, and just click on the second link. So for me it is the second website. Move to the Stack Overflow, domain name, and we could see the results the results regarding the error we have got. And if we move on over here, we could see the answer that we want to get. So probably it is a string error. So what we should do is just go over here and make sure the strings are correct. So you can just enter a double quote in front and a single quote back. So either of this. So make sure both the strings are the same. Instead of hello world, you can just print your name or whatever the value you want. So in this place, let me enter my domain name, that is techyrick.com. Now if I play, let me give clear, and you could see the results over here. So that's it about this video. So in this video we have learned about the print function and how to print the hello world. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, make sure to give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video, guys.